universe is vast, ancient, and deadly. From exploding stars to collapsing dimensions, these are the 7 most terrifying ways everything could end. This is cosmic catastrophes. What if the sun just vanished? For 8 minutes, we wouldn't even know. Then, darkness, no sunrise, no warmth, just the cold grip of space. Gravity is gone too. Earth would fly off its orbit at 30 kilometers per second, a silent missile drifting through the void of space. Temperatures plummet within a week, reaching minus 70 degrees Celsius. Oceans freeze from the top down. Only geothermal vents and deep bunkers keep life alive. One month later, the planet is locked in eternal winter. The oceans are ice, the atmosphere is frozen, and life is gone. The sun isn't just a light in the sky. It's the beating heart of everything we know. Without it, the clock starts ticking on Earth's final days. Somewhere in the cosmos, a star is dying. And when it dies, it fires the most powerful weapon in the universe, a gamma-ray burst. 2 focused jets of energy, more destructive than a million suns. If one hits Earth, we won't see it coming. In less than 10 seconds, the atmosphere ignites. The ozone is shredded. Radiation floods the surface. Everything dies. And then, it's over. A planet sterilized from across the galaxy, in total silence. This is the universe's most violent whisper. Are you listening? Imagine the universe is just a mistake. Right now, you exist inside a false vacuum, a fragile state pretending to be stable. It's held together by the Higgs field, a quantum energy field that gives particles their mass. But if that field ever shifted, it could trigger vacuum decay, a bubble of true vacuum expanding at light speed. It would erase chemistry, rip apart atoms, obliterate the laws of physics, and you'd never see it coming. No warning, no escape, just gone. Suddenly, the universe is rewritten in an instant, all from one quantum event, anywhere in space, at any time. It hasn't happened yet, but physics says it could. When a star dies, the universe screams. A supernova is the violent death of a massive star, brighter than an entire galaxy. If one detonated near Earth, just a few dozen light years away, the radiation would fry our atmosphere. With the ozone layer gone, ultraviolet light will flood in. Mass extinction begins with a flash. But that's not the worst part. A supernova sends out a shock wave moving at thousands of kilometers per second, enough to strip entire planets. If the core collapses into a neutron star or black hole, it might blast a gamma-ray burst, a death beam from deep space, and we wouldn't know it was coming until the sky lit up in silence. Every second stars are dying like this across the cosmos, and all it takes is one. It starts slow, a gentle drift toward nothing. A black hole doesn't pull you in like a vacuum, it bends space itself. As Earth gets closer, the gravity difference between your head and feet grows extreme. You stretch and stretch until your atoms tear apart. Scientists call it spaghettification. From far away, you'd seem to freeze at the edge, the event horizon, your final moment, trapped in time. But from your perspective, you fall unstoppably inward, toward the singularity, a point of infinite density. Physics breaks here. Time ends, space folds. We don't know what's inside. A gateway? A grave? One thing's certain. If Earth drifted too close to a black hole, no one would ever hear from us, ever again. Right now, the universe is expanding, slowly, silently. But what if that expansion never stopped accelerating? Driven by dark energy, space itself stretches faster and faster, until it starts pulling everything apart. First, galaxy clusters dissolve. Then solar systems. Gravity loses its grip. Even Earth can't escape. It is torn from the sun, then shattered, piece by piece. Eventually, even atoms are pulled apart. Reality itself, ripped to shreds. This is how everything ends, not with a bang, but with a rip. The universe won't end with a bang, but a whisper. No explosions, no collapse, just stillness. Over trillions of years, every star will burn out, the last lights of the cosmos, flickering into silence. Even black holes won't last forever. They'll slowly evaporate, vanishing into Hawking radiation. What's left? Only dead particles drifting in the cold, stretched fabric of space. No energy, no change, just eternal darkness. The universe reaches maximum entropy. No usable energy remains. Nothing can happen. The end of time itself. This is the heat death. A universe without fire, without light, without purpose. The universe is a beautiful place, but it doesn't guarantee survival. These aren't just theories. Some of these events are already in motion. Subscribe for more cosmic truth before the end arrives.